What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Here I have the C-Reader 7. This is a step up from the C-Reader 5 by launch. Some of the advantages of this scan tool over the 5 are you can stream 4 streams of data instead of just 2, and also you can reset different reminders such as the oil light reminder with this tool, and you can't do that with the 5. In addition to that, you can check engine light codes, you can erase codes, you can live stream data, and you can check freeze frame data. Get yours at 1aauto.com.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.